I will not touch. Just like guys, we have 10 minutes to go. Okay.
So, Rajat, by the way, we have time, so I
Okay.
think you can go at your convenience. So we have some
Okay.
time, and yeah,
Okay.
so please take your time. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So orders of the tribunal. What happens? Every appellate tribunal shall, as far as possible, decide here and decide that in the period of 1 year. So पहली बात तो क्या 1 साल mandatory period है? Answer is no. Only recommendatory period है. The appellate tribunal may decide the appeal within a period of 1 year. It is not compulsory to decide the period in the period of 1 year. ये बड़ा अच्छा सवाल आया था अभी पीछे किसी का. Whether a matter decided by one state GST appellate will be binding on the another state GST appellate tribunal also. Nothing like this has been mentioned in the GST law. However, what we used to see in the regime of AAR and AAA, authority for advanced ruling, authority for appellate authority for advanced ruling, right? Similar arrangement they used to have. Every state used to have a different appellate authority for advanced ruling and an authority for advanced ruling. Whenever a matter was decided by, let us suppose a matter was decided by Gujarat Advanced Ruling Authority, was it binding on Advanced Ruling Authority from Jammu or Delhi? Nothing has been provided under GST law. Practical experience, I am telling you, they never used to even read those case law. Whenever we send to these appellate authorities, we produce those case law. They said these case laws have only a recommendatory value, only a persuasive value. They are not mandatory on us. We will not follow this, but they were read as to what reasons are being given, right? So similarly, there's no law in place. I believe the GST appellate tribunal will take its own course. Of course, the principal bench would be at a higher forum. And because the president is sitting and which is a judge of a Supreme Court or Chief Justice of a High Court, so a lot of importance will be given to decisions from a principal bench, and it could be heard or agreed by various benches. Must be in fact. Whereas I am still pretty not decided as to whether bench will agree to the decision from the another state bench. We see similar kind of issues with income tax appellate tribunal also, whereby a Delhi bench judgment may have persuasive value for a Bombay bench judgment, but they don't see it as a compulsion. Similarly, in the GST law also, because we have now involvement of state technical members, they may not be very upcoming to accept the judgment from the other state. Of course, they will have persuasive value. Will they have binding force? This is not written under GST law. Although, if you go in a lot of detail and see various Supreme Court rulings, then it is being said that if a tribunal decides something, the lower authority must follow. But two tribunals parallel, I don't think they will be obliged.
Welcome to COMPLINITY Technologies. COMPLINITY is India's leading governance, risk and compliance software helping companies to manage their compliance, contracts, litigation, legal updates, inter-financial controls and more. COMPLINITY is a one-stop shop for all GRC needs. With our proprietary 12 GRC modules and real-time legal updates on 2,000 plus laws and 24,000 plus compliances. All in an integrated platform that is easy to use with automated alerts and risk management capabilities. Is why compliance managers, general counsels and chief financial officers choose COMPLINITY every time. Join the most innovative and prestigious brands that use COMPLINITY. Automating your compliance management, request a demo at complinity.com.